In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stabilize videos in CapCut. If you've ever shot a great clip only to find it's a bit shaky, stabilization can make a huge difference. CapCut has a built-in tool that smooths out unwanted camera movement, so your video looks more professional without reshooting. Let's walk through it clearly and simply. Start by opening CapCut on your device. Make sure you're in a new or existing project where you want to work. Have your footage handy so you can bring it in right away. If you're using the desktop version, you can drag and drop the file into the media bin. On any version, you can also use the Add or Import buttons to bring your video into the project and onto the timeline. Place the clip exactly where you want it, so the tool processes the right piece of footage. Select your clip on the timeline, then look for the Stabilize option in the editing controls. Depending on your layout, you'll see it in the toolbar or the property panel when the clip is highlighted. Click Stabilize to begin. This tells CapCut to analyze the motion in your video and calculate how to smooth it out. Behind the scenes, it tracks the frame-by-frame movement and compensates by subtly repositioning and slightly cropping the image to reduce jitter. Once you click, CapCut will process your video. This is totally normal and may take a bit of time. The duration depends on your clip's length, resolution, and how much movement is in the shot. Shorter, lower resolution clips will process quickly, while longer 4K footage will understandably take longer. During this period, it's best to keep CapCut open and avoid heavy multitasking so your device can give the process the resources it needs. If you're on a laptop, plug into power to maintain performance. Be patient here and let the analysis finish. You'll often see a progress indicator so you can gauge how long is left. When it completes, the stabilization will be applied automatically. You should notice smoother motion in the preview and fewer distracting shakes, especially during walking shots or handheld pans. Keep in mind that stabilization typically adds a small crop to your frame. That's expected and is how the software maintains a steady composition. That's all there is to it. Open CapCut, add your video, click Stabilize, and give it a moment to process. With just those steps, your footage can go from rough to refined, ready for the rest of your edit or for sharing online.